Hey, man, we got a club car here, everybody else. I made it prior, man, and I probably rushed it before. But if you look at it here, when you put the club car in gear, so I got it in forward, hit the gas, it tries to move. Well, I want to put it in neutral, crank it up, it doesn't do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this right here. The trick is, if you look at this micro switch here, when you put it in forward, this micro switch engages right here. This is your reverse buzzer micro switch. This is your forward and reverse micro switch will start the car. So when you put it in neutral, this don't activate. If for some reason, man, you can't get this to twist, all you have to do is take your zip tie, just activate this switch right here. Just take a zip tie and zip tie it around here. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you take it and pull it out like this. You twist it like that. Now you see it's kind of stuck there, so you want to wiggle a little bit, and like that. Then it's popped in a neutral, and then you can crank it up in neutral. But one thing about this, when you put it back and forward, it won't crank up, so you want to crank it like this here. So to do one more time, take it off, and then to make it back where it was, you just take it, pull it, twist it back, just like that, man. All right, man, stay tuned.